How to recover locked folders Google Photos. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to recover locked folders Google Photos. So first thing, you could go and access your Google Photos account. This way, you could go to collections and you could go to locked. Now, to access the locked folder, you could only use a pin. And if you've already lost it, then if you've lost your photos, then you could go to trash. Now all of the deleted items or medias will be located in this trash for 30 days, and if it is not backed up, and it's gonna be only for 30 days, while if it is already backed up, then it's gonna be for 60 days. Now likewise, here you would go ahead and restore the photo if you are able to locate it. However, it has also been deleted from the bin, then you need to contact the support team. You can recover your photos. However, this is a very lengthy process, and this is not a guarantee solution that you might be able to recover your locked folders. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.